Virat, wonderful innings from you, 70 of 44, but Will Jacks, 100 of 41. You seemed like you were happy to be the pillion rider.
Oh, phenomenal. I mean, I initially, when he came into bat, he was a bit annoyed that he couldn't strike the ball as he wanted to. But the only conversation we had out there in the middle is keep backing yourself, keep committing, because we know how explosive he can be. And my role kind of changed as soon as he got that big over against Mohit. My role completely changed out there in the middle, and for good. I was really glad that I was watching that from the other end. I mean, we thought we were going to finish the game in 19, but to do it in 15 overs was an outstanding effort. And I think it's one of the better T20 hundreds anyone would ever see. And I was just happy I was down at the other end and watched it so closely.
Yeah, absolutely. You were enjoying every hit of his. And 200, what did you make of it when you came out to bat?
Yeah, the wicket was pretty good. I think towards the later half of their innings, we just felt like it started settling down, and the reason why both teams probably wanted to bowl first, that was quite evident. With the temperature falling a little bit, being a little cooler in the evening, the wicket just tends to kind of settle down, and the ball starts coming onto the bat nicely. So yeah, I was just having fun out there, just hitting boundaries whenever I needed to, and just keep up the required run rate. We never dropped below 10 and over through the innings, and that allowed us the platform to do that in the end, what Jaxie did.
500 runs for you, 7th time in 17 editions, more than 400 10 times. Do you even look at these numbers ever?
No, not really. I think all the people who talk about strike rates and me not playing spin well are the ones who love talking about this stuff. But for me, it's just about winning the game for the team. And there's a reason why you do it for 15 years, because you've done this day in, day out. You've won games for your teams. And I am not quite sure if you've not been in that situation yourself to sit and speak about the game from a box. I don't really think it's the same thing. So for me, it's just about doing my job. People can talk about their own ideas and assumptions of the game, but those who have done it day in, day out, they know what's happening, and it's kind of a muscle memory for me now.
How happy are you with the way RCB have been playing in the last 2 games?
Look, we wanted to step up for ourselves, play for a bit of self-respect. We can't carry on in a big tournament like we did in the first half. So it's just about going out there and playing the cricket we want to. If you see with the ball as well, we are attacking way more. We are attacking the game way more. And the bowlers are being courageous. The fielders are putting bodies on the line. So that's the way we want to play our cricket. That's the way we always play. And it's not been up to the standards so far in the tournament.
रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बेंगलुरु ने रविवार को गुजरात टाइटंस को धमाकेदार अंदाज से 9 विकेट से हरा दिया। बेंगलुरु की 10 मैचों में यह तीसरी जीत थी। बेंगलुरु की जीत में विल जैक्स के 41 गेंद पर शतक का बड़ा योगदान रहा। वहीं दूसरे छोर पर पूर्व कप्तान विराट कोहली ने भी शानदार पारी खेली। कोहली ने 44 गेंद पर नाबाद 70 रन बनाए। कोहली ने उन लोगों पर खूब निशाना साधा जो उनकी स्ट्राइक रेट को लेकर सवाल उठाते थे। कोहली ने कहा, वे सभी लोग जो मेरी स्ट्राइक रेट और इस बात को लेकर सवाल उठाते थे कि मैं स्पिन बहुत अच्छी तरह नहीं खेल पाता हूँ, वे ऐसा करते रहते हैं। मैं सिर्फ अपना काम करता हूँ। ये मेरे लिए अब मसल मेमोरी की तरह हो गई है, इसलिए मैं 15 साल से ऐसा करता चला आ रहा हूँ। मैं सिर्फ अपना काम करते रहना चाहता हूँ। लोग चाहें तो कमेंट्री बॉक्स में बैठकर कुछ भी बात कर सकते हैं। वे कह सकते हैं कि मैं तेज़ी से रन नहीं बनाता, स्पिन अच्छी नहीं खेलता, लेकिन आप खुद खेल को बेहतर समझते हैं।